Hey guys, what's going on? Ryan's Aviation here with a little unboxing video and review of the new ICELANDAIR Airbus A321neo by Gemini Jets. This is, oops, let me see, there's thing is inside. This is actually a 2025 release, and this is the magenta tail. So pretty excited about this. I haven't gotten a new release in a little while, and I love ICELANDAIR, the new livery especially. So let's go ahead and open it on up. So here's the Gemini Jets box, 2025 release. That's the plane, looks beautiful. And let's open it up. I love the Neo. A321 is probably my favorite plane. It's just so clean, and Airbus is just amazing. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate comments about Airbus, but I just can't, I don't know. It's just something about Airbus that I love. Let me see if this will focus. There we go. So this is the model. Pretty awesome. I mean, there's really nothing wrong with this plane. It's just fantastic. The Neo engines. Wi-Fi dome in the back. And there is different versions, which is really neat. They kind of did what JetBlue used to do and does, the different tails. I forget what colors they all have, but this is in the, it's like a pink magenta kind of color. I mean, the detail is just insane on the engines. You can see how detailed it is. So I definitely think you get your money's worth. Yeah, this is just an awesome model. Super excited to have in the collection. You see Airbus A321, and it's actually the, I believe it says LR, which stands for long range. And is that the Icelandic flag maybe, or I can't actually see it, it's too small, but somebody let me know in the comments. Awesome plane. But yeah, we'll get a little shot here of the plane in front of the box, just so you guys can see it. Let me make sure this is in view though. Sometimes the I feel like it's not in view, so let me just double check. Beautiful plane. Alright guys, well, I know this is a short video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And catch you guys in the next one.